It is absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
I'm completely gobsmacked.
Yes.
But they've done such amazing work, and there's not that many of them when you think about. I mean, it's like eight metres, something like that.
I think it's fabulous. I think the amount of work that's gone in is incredible.
Only the previous week, there'd been a rather neglected subway at the London Road station in Brighton. With damp, cracked walls, the place had quite a derelict feel. But the grim subway was an unusual eyesore at this station. The Victorian building was listed, and a group of local volunteers, the London Road Station Partnership, had created food and flower gardens on unused station land. In time, they'd become an award-winning local feature. But who was going to give some TLC to the subway? Fortunately, a group of local teenagers was about to do just that. The A-Team were one of several local groups who worked on community projects over the summer of 2014.
Hello, I'm David. I work for Albion in the community, and we're the charity and the educational part of the football club. And this project is run through something called NCS, which is the National Citizen Service, which is open to all 16, 17-year-olds, and it's a chance for them to put something back into the community.
For their project, the A-Team had decided to create a mosaic in the subway. Southern Rail installed a board to get them started.
And the idea came up that being London Road being a community station, especially being used by people for the match, thousands of people on a Saturday and during the week, we thought, can we revamp this? Can we come up with something to regenerate the area perhaps? London Road Station, I'll let the panel here introduce themselves if you start.
But first, the team had to give a presentation at the Albion Stadium.
And so we are going to make a mosaic to make it stand out and make the station more noticeable.
We decided to do this to make it look and feel a little bit nicer.
We basically went on the Yellow Pages website and called up builders and tilers in Brighton, and we got 3 companies to agree to give us free tiles.
This meant that we didn't need to spend or raise any money.
This flower is something that we will be incorporating into the design, and it involves the Albion and the community logo.
The seagulls and the waves we thought really captures the essence of Brighton.
We're going to spend a total of 30 hours throughout the week fixing this up.
Currently outside the station there's a flower bed which is made out of cheap thin plastic. We will renew the flower bed with wood, which is a stronger material than the thin plastic. By making these improvements, the flower bed will look more pleasing and give the station a whole better environment.
Of course, we really hope that this will appeal to you guys, but we are also hopeful that it will appeal to a wider variety of people, whether it be through the mosaic, like the regular station users or the staff who work there, or possibly through the garden, which is very useful for local residents and young gardeners.
We basically broke it down into 4 main categories, which is hazard, risks, prevention and cure. There are also different hazards that we need to take into account.
As part of the communication team, I was setting up different social media platforms on which to showcase the event to the general public and local community especially, so everyone can see what's happened.
Thank you for everybody for coming, particularly those on the panel, those who've come from London Road Station. Thank you to Dave for lending us your laptop, much appreciated. Thank you to Amy for aiding us on this journey.
Well, fantastic work, best of luck.
Well done.
Good job, well done.
Well done.
Yeah, maybe. If not, we can just like make them. Yeah.
After finishing the mosaic, the team turned their talents to baking. Local neighbour and station gardener Elspeth Brodie had kindly let them use her kitchen. The cakes and coffee were offered at a party held at the station for friends, family and local residents. Finally, it was time to show the public the brilliant new mosaic.
And I just want to thank Amy and the Magnificent 12 for creating this work of art. Young people get so much negative press and coverage, even around here, and you've just created this amazing thing that everybody's going to enjoy for years to come. I'm really overwhelmed by it. I think it's very beautiful, and thank you very much. Yeah. Well done. Graduation, guys. See you later. Well done. Bye.
It's good. It's been a very good experience, and I would really recommend it to anyone that is thinking about doing it.
Good. You recommend it too?
I'd recommend it for everyone. It's great to do. There's no dull moments at all.
How many adjectives can I fit in?
Yeah.
It's been amazing and brilliant and cool and positive de-adjective. Delicious. It's been delicious. It's been a really fun week. I'm so glad I've done it.
Did you all get on better by the end of the week?
Oh yes, well we got on very well to begin with, but yes, I suppose our relationships and our bonds between each other in the team have grown and have flourished throughout this.
You'll understand that when people get a bit narky, it's that they mean it in a nice way and they're just trying to be constructive rather than critical.
Group dynamics.
Yeah, you have to be hard-working, like you have to be willing to work really hard if you want to do this.
Loads of people get to know each other, become friends, and also you do good for the community.
It was amazing, and I will miss her.
The visually stunning output is, it's fantastic to see, and hopefully it'll be something that the residents and the people that use the station here for years to come will be able to really appreciate.
I think it's really wonderful. It makes the whole place feel much safer, and it makes it special, and it highlights the pride that we all have around here in the station and the whole area, and it's just really clever. I can't believe that they didn't charge thousands of pounds for it. It's really, really beautiful.